You've been in a slip and fall. How can you prove that you weren't at fault for causing it? Oh, that's a great question, because this is what the risk management department and all of the insurance adjusters always say. You were at fault. Sorry you were hurt. Our investigation says it's your fault. We're not going to pay you a nickel. How can you prove you weren't at fault? It's tough sometimes. I'm going to tell you, it is not always easy. There is a lot of analysis that has to go into determining whether or not you were or were not at fault. And in addition to that, maybe you were. Maybe you were somewhat at fault. Under Nevada law, if your fault was less than the fault of the property owner, then you are still entitled to compensation. Let's say a jury determines that you were 25% at fault. That means that the grocery store, the Walmart, the casino, the hotel, they're 75% at fault. If the jury awards you an amount of damages, 25% will be reduced for your fault, but they are primarily at fault and they are going to have to compensate you to that extent. The only way to determine whether or not you were in fact at fault, and if so, what percentage of fault you were at, is to hire an attorney who is experienced with slip and fall cases, who knows how to investigate it, who knows how to collect the evidence, who knows how to take that evidence and build it into a winning case so that you are able to obtain compensation for your injuries and damages. I have been doing slip and fall cases for going on 30 years. I've been through this numerous times. I handle these cases on a regular basis. If you've been involved in a slip and fall and you've been injured, and you have questions, or the risk management department or insurance adjuster says it's your fault, before you give up and walk away, you call me. We will look into this and we will determine whether what they are telling you is accurate, or if, as they do on a regular basis, they're just telling you this hoping that you will go away. We will make that determination. We will do what's best in your interest, not the interest of the insurance company.